Welcome to BUNKR. In this video, you'll learn how to get started sending messages, how to use our password manager, including importing passwords, how to upload important documents, files, photos, and even scan physical documents into your vault. First, let's go over messages. If you're using BUNKR for the first time and are not connected to anyone, click the Compose button in the top right corner. This will bring up your phone's contact sheet. From here, you can see which of your contacts are already in BUNKR, and if you scroll down a bit further, who's not yet joined BUNKR. Clicking Connect will send an invitation to your family or friends who are not yet in BUNKR. And for a limited time, they can sign up using the offer code FREE to get their first year free. If you're joining from an invitation, you'll have a pending connection request where you can even tap to see if they're a verified contact in your phone before accepting. From there, you can start sending messages. Now, let's talk about our password manager. You can create passwords to keep track of usernames and login credentials, or things like combinations or PIN codes. We also have a way to import all of your passwords on our desktop version. To use our password importer, first, go to our website and download BUNKR for your computer. Once you have it installed, go to Vault, click Passwords, and Create Password. From here, you'll see an Import Files button on the bottom. When you export your passwords from most major password managers, it's compatible with our importer. Just select the file and click Import. And just like that, all your passwords are now in BUNKR. Now, let's talk about how to upload files to your vault. To get started, you'll create folders. You can select from a list of commonly used folders or create your own. And anything that you load into your vault can be accessed even if you don't have Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity. Upload files from your phone, computer, or iPad. You can even take physical documents and turn them into PDFs. Click into the folder you just created and select Scan Documents. Once your camera's open, have the document in full view and it'll automatically scan it. Once that's done, click Save and Upload File, and there you go. It's now a PDF. Save it for your record keeping, or send it inside or outside of BUNKR. Also inside your vault is a section for notes. Use notes to plan trips, track projects, or jot something down for a quick reference before deleting it. You can also manage your to-do list by checking things off when you've completed them. And finally, we'll talk about group messages. Anyone inside of a group chat can add a new member by going to View Details and clicking Add Member. Doing this will send a request to the owner of the chat, who can ultimately decide whether they decline or accept the new members joining. And last but not least, if you find yourself inside of a group chat with people that you're not connected to, you can go to View Details and click Connect. This will automatically send them a connection request, and if they accept, a direct message will be created. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it's been helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to BUNKR support in your direct messages.